the middle of moving, but I wanted to do a quick update on this Epiphyllum that I did a couple months ago. So basically, in my last video I did on this Epiphyllum, it was really shriveling up a lot and I didn't know what was going on. And so I tried to root some of them, and I'll get to that in a second. They're kind of falling out. But this is plumping out a little bit more. In my last video, I only had like one segment. I think it was this one. One segment was plump and the rest weren't. But these are this is starting to take in some water here. This one is starting to drink a little bit. And these are drinking. This one's drinking. Here it's plumping up. So it is starting to plump up a lot more. And I didn't do anything. Like, all I did was bring it inside. It was outside for most of the summer, and then I brought it directly inside after that video and just kept a normal watering schedule. Every time it would get dry, I would water it. So that's really all that happened. With this one, these were in water in my last video. I have a random Thanksgiving cactus in there that needs to root. But these were in water in my last video, and what ended up happening was it started to rot a little bit. So I had to do some extra cutting, like emergency cutting, and I ended up putting it in some sphagnum moss so it would have a little bit more room to breathe and hopefully be able to root. And these started growing roots, like air roots at their tips. So I've been putting them in upside down, but they don't really want to stay. This one had some roots on the base, that's why it's the only one that's like upright. But here, these are the air roots. I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really tiny. But yeah, so it's starting to grow roots at the very tips. So I'm putting it upside down in some sphagnum moss. Sorry about my nails, they're really messy right now. Same thing here. This one, maybe you can see a little bit more. I don't know. So I've been just keeping them in some moist sphagnum moss, and now I have some in my hair. But yeah, that's my update. But I think I'm pretty optimistic about this. I don't think I'm gonna lose this plant. I'm sure that these will root or continue to root at some point. And I will do another update when they are fully rooted and I can plant them. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.